Hello everybody, Belinda here and welcome back. Today I'm reusing a canvas. I am covering it with black and white. So we've got, I think it's 10 inch by 20 inch, nice size. And thanks guys for joining me. Thanks for all of your well wishes, I do appreciate that. As you can hear, I'm on the mend, and I do unfortunately still have a really bad cough. So with this blowing, it's going to flare it up again, so I'll probably put some music to it. And right, so my black, this is Mars Black, and hopefully you can see it's kind of like normal consistency, not very runny, but it is kind of leaves a tiny little mound. So I'm just going to cover this part with black. And then I'll do the sides as well. So I've been invited for to exhibit some of my art at one of the most popular art galleries here in New Zealand. So I need to decide, big decisions, which ones I'm actually going to exhibit. I think for those of you who have followed me, last year I got the invitation as well. So I'm looking forward to that actually. That'll be at the end of, I think the opening night is sometime in July. Can't remember. I'll have to have another look. Right, so let's just get most of that down. Then I'll run through the colours that I'm going to be using. Okie dokie. It looks like it's covered quite nicely. Just do the sides. And thanks to you guys, you know, the new guys who have subscribed, I really do appreciate that. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so. I'm trying to reach, my goal at the moment is to reach 5,000 subscribers. That would be just, you know, for now. And thanks to all of you guys who have stuck around for so long. I really appreciate everybody. Without you, I wouldn't be here. And don't forget guys to hit the notifications bell so you'll be the first to see my new uploads. Alright, so that's I reckon good enough. Then we go on to the white. And this is titanium white. I do have a tiny bit of house paint in it, and obviously as you can see, it's pretty much the same consistency. So it's not runny, like doesn't just run off. Leaves a teeny little mound. So we just put the white on, spread that around. I have actually made up my own, one of my colours, which I really wanted to be more burgundy with a bit of bling. So that's kind of what I have done, and I'll show you in a minute. Isn't it fun to put your fingers in the paint? I actually enjoy it. Okay, so we're just going right off. Get those sides covered. And I'm going to leave the whites down here. I want, you know, probably a little bit more than you would normally leave. But with these bloom, you know, the bloom flowers, you do really want a bit more paint on. I'll get that off the edge, get it to run. Alright, I think I have really good coverage there. So now okay, let's move on to my colours. Okie dokie. I just want to cover this up a bit better. Okay, so I have Fado Green, and that has a teeny bit of white in it, and the consistency is quite thick. It's kind of a little bit thicker than my base coats. Right, so this red here, and hopefully my light will do it justice, if you can actually catch the glimmer in it. So that's red. And then I've put a tiny bit of Mars black in it, and to that I have added the Perlex Solar Gold, and that is a really beautiful gold. Alright. Oh, and I have Florescent Yellow by B.A.D. Real beautiful fluorescent yellow. Okay, let's do this then. So I think I'm going to go here first with some green. Maybe there. Right, so I'm going to blow my green out first. Whoops. Hopefully I don't get everything all over the show. Okay, that's a little bit hard to get to. Alright guys, this is it. I absolutely love the colours and, you know, all of the cell action. I think it's really pretty. Go that way rather. Turn the camera and you'll be able to see it better. So I do have the studio light on. It is winter, so it's pretty dark in here. So I'll just try and work with it and move around. Okay guys, thank you so much for joining me yet again. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks guys, bye.